Source of information, I am going to teach you about the medieval period. History is generally divided into three periods: the ancient, the medieval and the modern. In the previous class, standard 6, you have studied about the ancient history, the period from prehistoric times to 7th century. In class 7th, you have studied about the civilization of medieval period in India and the world. In Europe, the period from 5th to 15th century is known as the medieval period. In India, period from 8th to 18th is known as the medieval period. In several important changes took place in front of social, economy and political structures of Europe, America and Asia. Indian culture had remained aloof from the outside world. During the medieval period, Indian culture was highly influenced by changes that took place in other countries. These influences are evident in culture, administration, economy, languages and religious belief of the people even today. Source of information the main source of information of the medieval period are literature and archaeological findings. आज भी देखोगे कि बहुत सारा खुदाई हो रहा है और बहुत सारा विवादास्पद चीज जन्म ले रहा है। कुछ तो है कि जो सत्यता भी है, क्योंकि खुदाई के आधार पर हम लोग को कुछ एविडेंस मिलता है और उस एविडेंस के आधार पर हम लोग अपना कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ किया जाता है। और बहुत सारा प्लेस है जहाँ पर कहा जाता है कि पहले यह हिंदू का रिलीजियस प्लेस था, लेकिन जो आक्रामक राजा थे उन्होंने वहाँ पर मस्जिद का स्वरूप दे दिया। लेकिन कुछ जगह जो है और दूसरे पक्ष का कहना है कि नहीं, ये हमारा शुरू से ही रहा है। ईश्वर का विवाद जो चलता रहता है, यह खुदाई के द्वारा बहुत हद तक स्पष्ट होता है। The literature of this period consists of religious work and commentaries based on the Purans. See, we get a lot of information about the social, economic, political and military conditions of that period from non-religious work on medicine, astronomy, and dramas.